Do you want to learn how to change password on BlueSky Social? In this video, I'm going to help solve that problem. So first, head over to your BlueSky Social app or website. If you visit via app, click on top left, there will be a menu icon. Or if you're on the website, click on this settings option. And inside here, you will see this password button. Click on this, and it's going to ask you to request a code to your email. Now head over to Gmail or wherever you have your email on, and you will get a new email here. Click on this. Inside it, you'll have codes. Copy them, go to your BlueSky, paste those codes in the reset code section, type in the new password in this field, new password field, and then click on next. Now it says the password has been changed successfully. Just click on close, and that's it. Your password for your BlueSky Social account has been changed successfully. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.